Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive straight into a very handy feature you might not know about, converting Trello cards to PDF. This can be incredibly useful for saving project details, sharing information with others, or for your own reference. So let's get started. First off, you'll need to open the Trello card you want to convert. To do this, simply log into your Trello account and navigate to the appropriate board and card. This step is crucial because the card contains all the details we want to export to a PDF. Once you've opened up the card, you'll find an or more icon on the right side of the card. Click on this to open up a drop-down menu. Now, why do we do this? It's because this drop-down menu provides us with a number of options for managing our Trello card, including the option to print, which we'll use to convert our card to a PDF. Next up, select the Print and Export option from the drop-down menu. This opens up a new tab showing a printer-friendly version of your Trello card. The reason we select Print and Export is because it essentially takes a snapshot of your card, which we can then save as a PDF. Now, you might be wondering, why aren't we just saving it directly as a PDF? Well, here's what's happening behind the scenes. Not all browsers have the option to save web pages directly as PDFs, but they all allow you to print pages. And when you choose to print a page, you can then choose to save it as a PDF instead. To do this, after the print dialog box opens, you'll need to change the destination to Save as PDF. This helps us because it allows us to store the card as a digital file on our computer or device, rather than printing out a physical copy. Finally, click on Save and choose a location on your computer or device where you want to save the PDF. And just like that, you've converted a Trello card into a PDF. In conclusion, Trello's Print and Export option allows us to quickly and easily convert cards into PDFs, which is a great way to share, save, and archive key project details. Thanks for watching, and join us again next time for more tips and tricks.